Ikaw po yung anak mo.
Tahoy.
Kaya nga dapat switch lane. Deny.
Yung kahapon nanonood lang eh.
Din ang sintron.
Listahin na. Paul eh. Paul yun ah. Hoy. Alam mo papatak ang bola eh.
Ano? Ay, tumatakbo siya na ano.
Take it.
Dapat save ka na eh.
Okay. Oh.
This is street ball.
Okay.
Hands up.
White ball up top.
Kailangan
Check.
ganun.
This is like playing the streets, right? We don't bring 5 and 5 into this game.
Hands up.
Help, stop.
Ito, help. Hands up. Patay.
Okay, Bill.
Bump. Take it.
Take it.
Hands up. Nice one. One more.
Shot clock.
Dapat kanina kayo post kay Bill. Kaya niya itong number 10. Ayan. Good.
Oh, careful.
Wala.
Get the ball.
Kaya.
Nice one. Defense.
Get you man.
Clark, itulak mo, Clark. Sige. Tulak mo, Clark. Yan, good job.
Use armband. Ang hagap.
Hands up.
Nakatulong gumamit ng stick, no?
Oo, lahat nga. Paano yun, batang yun.
Umuusig siya.
Okay, kaya mo yun.
Isa pa, isang ikot. Rebound. Short.
Check up top.
Go, Clark. Go. Hands up. Nice block. Kaso magulang si Uti, di-drive na eh. Clark, get the ball.
Sige, drive mo. Nice.
Get the ball. Yeah.
Hands up, Clark. Defense. Hands up, Bill.
Tapilok pa. Tapakan niya yung ano.
Delikado nga. Watch out, Clark. Watch out sa ilalim, ha. Pwede na shoot yun, di ba? Hindi, still,
Dapat yung layup na yun.
Oo. Clark, careful sa rebound ha. Go, go, go. Defense, Clark. Hands up. Tulak mo, Clark. Hello. Nice one. Good job. Good D, good D. Lamon, good D. Get ready.
Okay, diretso. Backing up, backing up.
It's okay. Defense ka lang. Balik sa defense. Get the ball.
Sige, diretso. Buka, buka, buka.
Clark, get open, Clark. Get open, Clark. Help. Puta na. Mas masakit pa sa ano pag na-break up. Sa pag-ibig, okay lang yan. Nice block. Oh, nice one. Clark. Help. Clark, fake.
Knock bump.
Hands up. Clark, bawi. Go, isa pa. Bawin mo. Hands up. Nice one. Clark, bawi. Clark, bawi.
Black check up top. Black.
Come on, Clark, come on. Traveling. Go, Clark, go. Go. Yabang ito. Tang inang to. Sipain kita eh. Go, Clark. Clark, fake.
Let's go. Kaya pa yan. Just chill
Knock,
lang.
use it, knock.
One stop.
Go. Protect your basketball. Shoot it. Oh. Clark, eyes on the ball. Hands up. Foul. Go.
Pose it.
3 minutes na lang oh. Yan. Garo, defense uli.
More of that.
One stop.
Go. Nice one.
Long way. Number 5.
Go, Clark, go.
Kaya ni Bill to eh.
Hands up. Hoy.
Kabalak, help.
Hands up. Get the ball. Go. Attack. Balik.
Skibidi.
Bill.
Skibidi.
Balik mo. Ay,
Get the ball. Hands up. Get the ball. Go.
attack.
Go, Ethan. 3 lang yan, 2 minutes oh. Lamon, 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Ay, knock ka lang muna.
Malingat ka ng konti dyan.
Get the ball.
Okay.
Hands up. Nice one. Get the ball. Hands up. Take it. Rebound. Go, Clark. Fake, Clark, ha.
Kaya. Backing up.
Hands up!
Five, four,
Get the ball! Get the ball! My God.
Yan siguro
1 minute left, guys.
Aggressive, aggressive!
Ganda mo komento, Darwin.
Hindi, sipahin ko pati yan. Hands up, hands up.
Mag-iinom yan.
Nice one, nice D. Get the ball! Pang-inang yan, hayop na yan. Last game, last game. Di pa. May ano lang yung oras.
How much time left? Oh, 16. I heard 5 seconds left. Sorry. Let's go check up top.
11-6.
16 seconds. Still 2. Oh.
Hey.
Hey, boys!